Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 8. 안녕히 계세요, which means goodbye in Korean. The word 안녕히 계세요 is considered to compose of two words. The first word is 안녕히, which means to be well or to be in peace, while 계세요 means please stay. So when these two are combined, it could result in a phrase which means goodbye, please stay well, or please stay in peace. And this is used to say goodbye when you are leaving the place first and the others are staying. How do we write 안녕히 계세요 in Hangul? Let's start with the first word, 안녕히. This is composed of 3 syllables. The first syllable is written by drawing first a Dongsaeng, an A character, and a Nian character. The second syllable, nyong, is formed from the combination of the Nian, yo, and iang character, while the third syllable, he, is formed from the combination of the hiya and e characters. For the second word, Jeogiyo, this is also composed of 3 syllables. The first syllable is ge. This is formed by drawing first a gia character and a ye character. The second syllable, se, is formed from the combination of the siyat and e character, while the last syllable, yo, is written by drawing first a no sound iang and the yo character itself. If we will compare 안녕히 계세요 to 안녕히 가세요, which we discussed before, they both mean goodbye. But 안녕히 가세요 is used when you are staying and the others are leaving first, while 안녕히 계세요 is used when you are leaving first and the others are staying on the place. So please remember the right situation wherein you could use these phrases. And with that, you've just learned 안녕히 계세요. Now let's proceed to our word recap. Word number 1 is 안녕히 하세요, which means hello. This is in informal or casual manner. Word number 2 is 안녕히 하십니까. This is the formal way of saying hello. Word number 3 is 감사합니다. This is the formal way of saying thank you. Word number 4 is 죄송합니다. This is a formal way of saying I'm sorry. Word number 5 is Jeogiyo, which means excuse me, and this is used to call the attention of someone. Word number 6 is Jamsimanyo, which means just a second, and this is used to ask for the person to wait for you for a while. Word number 7 is 안녕히 계세요, which means goodbye. This is used when you are staying and the others are leaving. And our word for today, word number 8, 안녕히 계세요, which means goodbye. But this is used when you are leaving first and the others are staying. Congrats! Up next on Dae-Hangul, we're going to discuss about Gomawo. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Korean words.